Hello students, in this video we are going to find the smallest number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. So the smallest number which can be divisible by each of the numbers will be the LCM of the three numbers. So in this kind of problems where we have to find the smallest number which is divisible by the numbers, we need to find the least common multiple of all the three numbers. So let us find the least common multiple of the numbers to find the smallest number which is divisible by the three numbers. First we'll write the statement. Smallest number that is divisible will be the LCM of the three numbers. So now let us find the LCM of the three numbers 8, 15 and 20. Let's write the three numbers in a single letter. Here we have 8 and 20 as the even numbers. So first we'll divide the even numbers by smallest prime number 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 15 is not fully divisible by 2, so we'll write it as is. And 2 times 10 is 20. Again we are going to divide it by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 15 is not fully divisible, we'll write it as is, and 2 times 5 is 10. Now 2 is even here, so we'll divide 2 first. 15 and 5 are not fully divisible by 2, so we'll write it as is. Now 15 is divisible by the next prime number 3, so let's divide 15. 3 times 5 is 15, and 5 is not divisible by 3, so we'll write it as is, and this is fully divided. Now 5 is divisible by only number 5. So that's 5 times 1 is 5. So to find the LCM of the three numbers, we are going to take the product of all the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder, that are the prime factors. So the product is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, which equals 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24, and 24 times 5 is 120. So the LCM of the three numbers 8, 15 and 20 is 120, and this is the number which is fully divisible by the three numbers without leaving a remainder. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.